हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज आप सबके सामने हम लेकर आए हैं दी ऑल न्यू टाटा ऑल्ट्रोज रेसर, जिसका आप सबको बहुत टाइम से वेट करना पड़ रहा था। बात की जाए अगर इस कार की, तो ये एक परफॉर्मेंस कार है एज़ कम्पेयर टू दी अर्लियर ऑल्ट्रोज। देर आर सम एड ऑन्स. I will not say that there are some cosmetic changes, not some major cosmetic changes, but if we talk about the engine specification, now cars comes with the dual turbo. Earlier it was coming with the single turbocharge, but now we are having the Ultros Racer with double twin turbo. Overall performance, if I talk about the overall performance, the car having the 130 PS power. Earlier there is no 360 camera. I will say this is the best feature, and no one is providing the 360 camera in this segment of car. Not even in i20 also. Here we get the piano black finish grille, which looks so elegant. In bottom we are getting the main headlamps, fog lamps and daytime running lights. The side profile is also so attractive. It comes with the side molding. We can say the body kit also. The tire profile is 16-inch and the color of alloy wheel is piano black. Earlier it was coming with the dual tone finishing, but now the color combination is single tone. Here we get the 360-degree camera on ORVM also. For more sportier look, there are the door handle on the upside. Both doors come with the 90-degree opening angle. I will say it is the convenient feature that nobody is providing in this segment of car. Both doors are 90-degree opening. The rear look is also more aggressive, more sportier look. Here we get the Ultros wedging with the piano black finish. Here we get the dual turbo I Turbo Plus. In rear there are also companies giving the LED light, which looks so attractive in night. The new thing we are getting in this car is the spoiler, the main charm of this car. Request sensors. As I told you, car having the 90-degree opening angle doors. Wedging of racer. Both seats are ventilated, driver and co-driver seat. Company providing the leatherette seat with the orange thread. Here we get into the car. Now it comes with the 6-speed transmission. Company also providing the wireless charger, one USB charger, one C-type charger and 12-volt fast charger also. Automatic climate control AC. Wedging of Ultros. The 10.5 centimeter all new Harman Kardon infotainment, which support Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, JBL modes. steering mounted controls for volume adjustment, voice command to pick the call, cut the call, track change. Here we get the cruise control, automatic lights, rain sensing wipers, full complete TFT digital display, which was not coming in earlier Ultros. Some orange accents, push start stop button, keyless entry, 360-degree view camera, some buttons of lock, unlock, fog lamp. The interior of car is complete black. Roof is also complete black, and it comes with the sunroof. If I talk about the safety measures, car providing the 6 airbag, full cabinet is equipped with the 6 airbags, some decent space in glove box, comes with 2 cup holder and air cooling system also. There are some safety features of car, the SOS service, B call also, breakdown, in which the customer directly push this button and the nearest location of the customer will share to the 5 emergency numbers.